Hey there, I'm Sahim. I'll teach you all you need to know about keeping yourself safe in an online world and keeping everyone safe too. The cyber world is helpful for people but also dangerous if not handled properly. How to keep yourself safe on Zoom or any other platform. When an unknown person enters, do not panic or talk to the person. Once you spot a stranger in the meeting, tell your teacher and turn off your video and mute yourself, as the stranger might take screenshots of the meeting and publish it on other platforms or use it in bad ways. So I hope you understood till now at least. The teacher's duty is to also switch off the video and remove the person from the meeting and enable waiting room just in case he joins back from another device. But how do you even remove the person? Well, just click on the blue thingy and then click on remove. After you've clicked on more and then remove, click on OK. Then that will remove the participant from the meeting and the participant won't be able to come back. How do strangers enter your class? ID and password access. Strangers can join Zoom only if they have the meeting ID. Only the teachers and students in the Google Classroom have access to the link. So how do strangers even join the meeting? Well, if the students only have access, then it means that the student might be sharing the link to others on social media or any other platform. So to all students, please never share your meeting link with other people nor with your sibling, as they might send the link to their friends and by mistake or just for fun too, and their friend might send to other people and your link will be exposed, which will make all the other people to join into your meeting. So teachers, let's say once one of the students didn't follow the rules and still sent the link to someone. How do you stop that someone from entering the meeting? Well, there are two types of settings to prevent that someone from joining. Locking the meeting or enabling waiting room. Setting number 1, waiting room. First click on participants and then click on the 3 dots. Then click on enable waiting room. So once you're done, you can see that it says waiting room is enabled. Setting number 2, locking the meeting. When you lock the meeting, no new participants can join, even if they have the meeting ID and password. Click on security. Then on the top, click on lock meeting. That will lock the meeting and a message will appear you have locked the meeting. There's a video which explains all the security options available on just one button. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video.